Only in that way will Dhamma truly prosper. Part 4. Luang Ta Mahabua's Support for the World. Wat Ba Ban Thad has remained basically in its original condition since its establishment in 1956. Without electricity, life in the monastery is quite simple. The enormous amount of donations that Luang Ta Mahabua received during that period has been redistributed to support public welfare projects. In regards to spiritual welfare, he has supported the meditative development of monks, novices and lay people by teaching them Dhamma. Since 1971, he has made Dhamma books and audio tapes available for free distribution. All of his efforts have done an invaluable service to society as a whole. As he himself stated recently, beginning in 1956, I have helped the world for 47 years, distributing an amount totaling nearly 1 billion baht. The following is a summary of his donations to various institutions. 1. Hospitals and healthcare centres, approximately 152 million baht. 2. Schools and government organisations, approximately 82 million baht. 3. At least 500 monasteries, approximately 296 million baht. 4. Child care centres, handicapped children's centres, and centres for the poor and needy, approximately 30 million baht. 5. Animal care centres, approximately 20 million baht. 6. 6 hospitals and 1 school in Laos, approximately 31 million baht. The total amount is 600 million baht, although the many more donations have gone unrecorded. Luang Ta has stated that as long as he remains alive, he must continue to assist the world, so as to set a good example for others to follow, and show them the true value of love and compassion. Part 5. Luang Ta Mahabua's Assistance to the Thai Nation. At the end of 1997, the year of Thailand's economic crisis, Luang Ta was seriously ill with suspected colon cancer. Spending the rains retreat in a small hut in the forest, the then 84-year-old monk experienced so many bowel movements a day that his condition became critical. He was so ill, in fact, that a funeral pavilion was built for him in front of the monastery. But because Thailand needed his help, he could not allow himself to die. During that year, Thailand had experienced the worst financial crisis in its history. the baht exchange rate plummeted. People lost their jobs, and the country went deeply into debt. Because of that, Luang Ta made a solemn vow that should the medicine he was taking cure his illness, he would dedicate his life to rescuing the country from disaster, so that Buddhism would continue to thrive in Thailand. Fortunately for the Thai people, his condition improved so dramatically that he soon made a full recovery. As soon as Luang Ta regained his strength, he announced publicly that he would lead a fundraising ceremony on April the 12th, 1998, to help relieve the economic situation. At the age of 85, he started a nationwide fundraising campaign. He then began traveling the country teaching Dhamma and collecting donations of gold and US dollars to boost the dwindling reserves in the national treasury. That same year, Luang Ta was injured in a road accident. But even that setback did not deter him. He calmly told his supporters that, even though incapacitated, he was still worried more about the nation than he was about himself. He felt that it was a monk's duty to help the nation and the world in accordance with the Buddha's teaching. Maha Karaniko Natto Hitaya Sabaphanina. He announced that, I help the country primarily for the spiritual benefit of the Thai people. That is my main goal. I intend to go everywhere in the country, no matter how far I must travel, or how difficult the journey may be. Speaking in conventional terms, you might say that I am like a poor beggar asking the people for alms. But in terms of Dhamma, I am exercising the power of love and compassion to support the Thai people. Everything Luang Ta does reminds us to follow his virtuous example and be proud to join him in paying gratitude to the nation, to the religion,